I popped into Chester in the morning, got a big breakfast, resupply, did my laundry, had this amazing sandwich, and then I got back on trail. I love an informational sign, but this is the burn area. It's kind of scary right now. Normal because it's really windy and all these trees are dead. It's a little eerie. North Fork Feather River. This looks so silly. I lost another freaking hat. Looks like a fun little jumble. Ooh. Made it. I love that bird. You need a bear can to sleep in Lassen, so all the hikers just camp out before you actually go into the park and then push through the next day. This is Boiling Lake. Stinky. There's a very strong sulfuric smell. I'm doing the little circuit loop. It goes right back to the PCT. Just in case there's something cool to see, you know. Drake's Bag Guest Ranch. Look at that. There are supposed to be hot springs around here, but in the comments, the thing's closed. And then in the comments, another hiker said something about a ranger being not pleased that he found him down there. And apparently he couldn't find the spring. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not going looking for it. Although it is pretty cool out right now. I'd say it's right there. Hey girl, how's it going? I know you're eating, but thank you. You can just stay right there. I'm gonna go right past you. Morning log crossing. Whoa. 10 by 10. Feeling pretty good. My pillow did completely deflate last night. It was obnoxious. And somebody was snoring. I was kind of far away, so it must have been pretty loud. Anyway, gosh, I keep saying I'm not going to walk and talk. Anyway, I'm already at 10 for the day. Didn't do very many yesterday. So I think I did altogether like maybe 18 yesterday. Because I went into Chester, did my laundry, and ate this amazing sandwich from their grocery store. Oh my God, it was so good. And it was only $7.99. Sadly, the Frosty place was closed. Anyway, I might try for 40 today, or at least 35. The only two things that I can see that could be a problem are, one, there's a lake coming up, and I'm gonna get in it. Two, there's a town along the way. They have a gas station. I was just gonna bypass it because I have plenty of food, but they might have hats there. So if I go there to see if they have a hat, I'm sure I'm gonna eat stuff, sit around for a little bit. So those are my only two things. But maybe since I've voiced my concerns, I'll be able to manage all those things. Man, I hope that's not the lake. look like I want to get in it. I'm not saying I miss the snow, but it is so hot and there is no shade. I just found this little sliver. I'm standing in it, cooling off, reapplying my sunblock. I'm gonna put my hoodie back on. Crazy. That thing came right at me. I mean, I was in it. Holy mackerel. Whoa. That was so scary. It was like a dust ash tornado. And just as I turned to watch it, it turned right at me. And then I was in the middle of it for a second. I'm glad no trees fell. That's what I thought was about to happen. So now it's windy, which is sort of nice because it's really hot out, you know? But also, I'm in a field of frickin' dead trees. And now I'm afraid of those little mini tornadoes. So I'm not afraid of them. I'm aware of their existence. And we'll be very careful to scoot past them as quickly as possible in the future. I didn't expect it to change course that quick, you know? Also, after reviewing the footage, I was not in the middle of it, but I was right on the outskirts when it changed course and came at me. That's the end of Lassen. And it's only like 12:30. Lovely. It's still burned though. It's not like I'm out of the burn area. I'm back in a living forest. It's so beautiful. And shady and green. Yeah. Okay, so I just read in the comments that the gas station has one of those milkshake machines that I freaking love. Oh my God. The for real ones. I don't know. I think I can do it. Sometimes when I pressure myself, like makes it harder. We'll see though. Maybe I'll make it into a game. The thing is, there's also the subway cave system over there. And I do want to go in there. But I don't want to go in there when it's getting dark because it's already kind of spooky. It's an old lava tube. It's like 46 degrees in there. Totally pitch black, so you gotta take your headlamp. My arm is getting tired. Anyway, we'll see. That's still like, I think I have 8 more miles, 8.5 miles to that spot. It is 2:00. Supposedly they close at 7. But someone said they walked in at 7 and everything was closed. This would be like my 3rd missed milkshake. It's a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure. Dun, dun, dun. That's the 3rd Cheeto I've seen. Well spaced apart. I feel like this is some sort of hiker trap. I am 1 mile away from the road that will take me to get a milkshake. It's 4:00. I am pretty hot right now. Whew. But I'm gonna get that milkshake. Maybe some other small treat. Hopefully a hat. And then I think I'm gonna go stand in that subway cave where it's like 46 degrees and just cool off. Because then it doesn't matter how fast I go. I am ridiculously excited. And look, it says welcome bikers, hikers, and campers. So sweet. Yes. This week's options. None of them really speak to me, honestly. I got my shake and cake. I fell. Thank you, Andrew. It's cold in there. Are you gonna go inside? I mean, I'm gonna go in there. I might not walk all the way through it. Oh, it's so spooky. Oh, it's cool in here. The sanctum. That's where we are now. It's the largest cave in the chamber. Lucifer's cul-de-sac.
Ooh, so scary. Rattlesnake collapse.
Yeah. Lavasicle Lane. That's kind of fun.
Yeah, almost there.
0.6. Mount Shasta. My God, 9 to 9. Coffee, hot cocoa, soda, ice water, snacks, meals. Okay, let's go.
Comfortable chair.
Trail Angel Cafe. Comfortable chair. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Trail Angel Cafe and Staggy. That was awesome. And I kept pushing.
Whoa. Look at Mount Shasta. Pretty. I'm done with the burn area. Look how green and lush it is.